Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So my beautiful client Scarlett has come in and she hasn't had nails on for a few months now because her job, she can't wear them all the time with the job that she does. She is a carer, so big shout out to Scarlett. So I've gone ahead, prepped all her nails, and as you may be able to tell, she is a previous nail biter, but when she knows she's booked in for her nails, she does amazing and really tries to stop biting them. So actually this time we had a lot of free edge to work with, and usually I wouldn't advise going this kind of length with a nail biter, but you know, she was going to a wedding and she wanted them really beautiful, so these are what we came up with. So I've gone ahead and prepped all the nails as usual. So push back the cuticles, or get all the dead skin off, etch the nail plates, dehydrate, prime, all that good stuff. And now I'm coming in with my acrylic application. So I'm placing CJP, coconut milk, and doing the free edge. And then I'm coming in with honey pearl and I'm just blending that, creating the ombre. And I don't know if you can notice that I've actually included some Spanish subtitles there for the overseas viewers. Maybe they could get a little bit more of an understanding of what I'm doing on the nails and stuff like that. Hopefully it works well. So yeah, I'm just going to create that ombre and then I'm going to leave that nail just for a little bit to set, and then I'm going to move on and go to the ring finger where it's going to be full nude. So the ring finger and the middle finger are both going to be full nude. And I do go back and encapsulate the pinky and pinch, but I just didn't record that part, but I'm just letting you know that's what I did. So again, just doing the same on the index finger that we did on the pinky. So this white is just the easiest white ever to work with. It's not sticky or anything like that. It doesn't stick to your brush. It doesn't contaminate all your monomer. It's really, really amazing to work with. So as I was saying the other day, excuse me, whenever you do a ombre or a blend or a fade or whatever you want to call it, always blend that first bead onto that nail plate so that when you apply your second colour, you're not getting any harsh lines or you're not having that see-through bit. And another great tip as well is when you're using your cover pink, make sure you drain the liquid out of the back so the bead is more on the dry side, so that way it's going to be more pigmented and you'll get the true colour of what it should be, as opposed to if you use it really wet, the colour will be more transparent and then your ombre is just going to be down the pan, you know. So definitely, I don't know why I sounded like Lorna then, you know, she's rubbing off on me. Yeah, so definitely drain your bead and feather it down nicely. So again, I didn't show the thumb. I know some people hate when I don't show the thumb, but I am only not showing the thumb because I didn't do anything different. And I know the other day I did not record the thumb and there was something different, but it was only a little bit of glitter, so there wasn't anything intricate. If I do ever change the design on the thumb, I will start including it, so I'm really sorry. So I'm just adding more to make that blend nice and seamless, and then I will cap that, and I'm going back and pinching the previous nails as well. So yeah, just checking out how they look, making sure that pinching tool's on. Please ignore my chipped manky polish, because if you watched my video yesterday or the day before, you'll see that I have actually done my nails now. So as always, I'm coming in with a filing routine, and I do the sidewalls and the free edge. I just always do that. I just find that gets my shape kind of in the way, out the way and done. And then I'll come in with my hand file. I'll just debulk the cuticle area and make sure it's nice and flush, and then just go down the entire body of the nail to make sure it's all consistently shaped from the cuticle to the free edge. And I'll do this on all 10 nails. Then I will come back in and I'll get my client to turn her hand around, and I'll file the shape again from her view so that I know my shape is looking perfect for her. And then I'll come in with a white buffing block and just go around the cuticle, the sidewalls and the entire body of the nail, just how I do with the e-file. Then when we've done all the filing and we've cleaned away all the dust and stuff like that, I will come in with top coat. So the top coat I'm using, as always, is CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and I've added a few crystals on that middle finger as well, just to make the nails beautiful and princessy and sparkly. And yeah, and then after these have cured and I've let them cool down, after they come out of the lamp, I will go ahead and apply cuticle oil, and then that is the finished video. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It means the absolute world to me. And please subscribe if you're not already. I also just love each and every one of you who support me and stuff like that. It's very humbling, and I have got a video planned to show you my silver play button and say thank you, so keep your eyes peeled for that as well. I'm really excited for that one. And yeah, so I love you all so much, and I will see you all again in my next one. And yeah, let me know if the Spanish subtitles are working, or if it's something you would like me to include more often. Yeah, thank you, love you, bye.